Hello guys, this is Jacob Varghese. You are 16CS133 from Garner University, and today I'm going to tell you about the array implementation of Q. As we are going to see the application of the array implementation of Q. So our first program is to create a program, a C++ program to form a linear queue. So let's see the program. Yeah, I have not used code blocks. I will just you can see. You can see here has defined. I have stream has yesterday I logo has defined. I have given max 5. Here I have declared a function add, a function delete, a display function, and an array queue of max. And float is equal to -1, real is equal to -1. Item data. Then in the main function, a while loop. In this while 1 should always be true, so it should always display. Then a switch case of opt if case 1 is equal to Fourier equal to max -1, then its queue is full, else enter the same elements, enter the elements to be pushed, then see in item. Then add item, then break. Case 2 is the delete function. You can see here delete function, see out that slash and break. Case 3 will be the display. Case 4 it will automatically exit and defaults. Something else option is typed by the user. In the add function, we take an item, an integer value as an argument. That's if real is equal to max -1, q is full, else real is equal to real plus 1, and q of real is equal to item. If float is equal to -1 and float is equal to 0. This will happen for only for the one time to make the float from -1 to the 0, because the float value will not change, it will be always 0 after -1. Then the delete function, you can see if float equal to -1, q is empty, else data of q of float is equal to deleted data, float is equal to float plus 1. If float is equal to real, then float equal to real is equal to -1. That is, the q is totally empty. When the display function, you can see if real is equal to -1, that is the q is empty. It's empty, else for I is equal to 4, I less than equal to real, I plus q of I will be 10. So if the output we will see of this, you can see it will show like this: add, delete, display, exit option. So when we give option as 1, it will add, and then we'll give 22 element, then again 1, again 1, it will take 34 here. You can see here. And the again option, it will ask us the enter the element at 45, then again 45, then again 1, the enter the element, again we have pushed 45, and I have given 3 as my option. It will display what, so q it contains 12, 34, 45, 45, then 2, that is delete, it will delete 12 from here, from different. Then again 2 I have given that, again it will delete the 34, that is the first value from here. Then press the 3, it will display it, that is 45, 45. Then again I have given 4, it became standing. So it was a simple program of a linear queue. So next, moving to our next program, that is a program to form a circular queue. After a linear queue we have circular queue. In linear queue we have disadvantages like memory management, so we came to circular queue. The circular queue, the code goes like, here we have declared a while loop, same as it is like the linear queue. We have given 3 different cases. First, for enter the elements to be entered, adding for adding. Case 2, Case 2 we have for deletion, case 3 we have for delete, and 4 for exit. So here we can see we have an add function. Float is equal to real plus 1 modulus of max, the queue is full. Here we have given modulus of max because when we go, it's a circular queue, so it has to be finished, it has to start from one end and it has to continue from the other end because it's a circle. So it has to, if 0 to 5 it is there, so max is 5, so after max it have to start again from 0, it should not go to 6. That's why we have given here modulus max. Rear is equal to rear plus 1 modulus max, q is equal to rear of item. If float is equal to minus 1, float is equal to 0. Then here I have given a void delete option, that is delete function for deleting the queue. You can see here the deleted function will be shown like this, and this thing will execute for once if float equal to rear and float equal to rear equal to minus 1. Then a display function int I to display all these things all present in the queue. So it was a simple program of a circular queue. So with this the same thing is going to come. Add display exit in option 1 to push items. Again push items, I have pushed 21, 22, 34 and 45. Then option 3 to display, I have displayed 21, 22, 23 and 34 and 45. Then again 2 I will delete 21. Then option 2 again I'm going to delete it. Let's delete, I got 34 and 35. So this is a simple program of a circular